If you've been thinking about building your own website for your cleaning business but don't know where to start, this template makes DIY simple. Today I'm giving you a quick sneak peek of one of the Squarespace templates in the shop designed specifically for cleaning businesses. This template includes over 15 styled pages, so you don't have to worry about starting from scratch. I'll give you a quick look at the key pages: home, services, about, FAQ, blog, and the lead form, so you can get a peek at how the template is set up. Think of this as a ready-made structure. You'll just swap in your own text, photos, and colors to make it your own. Let's start with the home page. At the top, there's a large header image with space for a bold headline and a call to action button. This is designed to grab attention right away and guide visitors toward requesting a quote. Scrolling down, you'll see the feature boxes, a perfect spot to highlight your main selling points like reliability, transparency, or eco-friendly supplies. Then there's a service preview section, laid out in a clean grid with space for images, pricing, and short descriptions. This makes it really easy for visitors to see what you offer at a glance and click for more details. Everything is drag and drop editable in Squarespace, so you can change the icons, swap in your own text, and update images in just a few clicks. Next, let's look at the individual service page. Each service can have its own dedicated page with space for an image, a quick overview, and details about what's included. You can have bullet points so you can clearly explain what clients get. The layout is designed to answer the "what's in it for me" question quickly without overwhelming people with too much text. And just like the homepage, you'll notice the call to action button appears a few times, making it easy for visitors to request a quote at any point. Since you can duplicate this page, you can quickly build out a professional looking page for every single service you offer. Then we've got the about page. This is where you can share your story, your values, and what makes your business different. You can highlight your mission statement and walk visitors through your process. This page is all about building trust and making a personal connection with potential clients. Next up, the FAQ page. This page is essential for giving clients quick answers to common questions. The template comes pre-styled with space for questions and answers, so you can cover things like pricing, supplies, rescheduling, or guarantees. Having an FAQ saves you time because it answers client questions before they even reach out. And of course, you can add, edit, or remove questions anytime. One of the most important parts of this template is the lead form page. You can have all of your Get My Free Estimate or call to action buttons lead here. It's set up with a simple step-by-step process and an inquiry form where clients can provide all the details you need to give them an accurate quote. This ensures you get high-quality leads with the right information up front, so you're not going back and forth. There's also a blog page included in the template. You can use this for cleaning tips, seasonal promotions, or updates about your business. Blogging is a great way to boost your SEO and show off your expertise if you choose to use it. And remember, this isn't just a few pages. There are over 15 fully styled pages for you to use. That includes everything you'd expect. So your home, services, about, FAQ, blog, contact, social media links page, and more. You could publish the ones you need and hide or repurpose the rest. And the best part, it's built on Squarespace. No coding is required. You can swap out text, images, and colors easily. The structure and design are already done for you, so all you need to do is bring your brand personality and content to make it feel like your online home. And that's a quick walkthrough of this cleaning business website template. With over 15 pages included, it's clean, professional, and set up so you can focus on your content. Don't worry about starting from scratch. If you'd like to see the live demo and explore all of the pages yourself, click the link in the description to learn more.